Hello and welcome back here on our YouTube channel to our new diesel heater journey. In this video we like to show you how diesel heaters, pickies and chickies come together and how we take diesel heaters to the next level. We posted close to 100 videos here on YouTube, but I think this one is the craziest one until now. As I went to work in our recycling shed this week, I noticed an uninvited visitor has set up shop there. It wasn't the Easter bunny, but she left a little surprise in the middle of our plastic recycling chips. But what to do with an egg in a workshop? And now you know what's coming. Let's build something. I cut a piece of metal out of a sheet from an old heating oil tank with the plasma cutter. I grinded the edges. I marked the corners to cut them out. And I cut out the corners. I removed the rust from the sheet. And I used the press brake to bend 3 of the 4 sides up. Better bend than weld. And I used the plasma cutter again to cut another piece to the right size. And again the press brake to make a nice 90 degrees bend. I removed the rust on this piece too. I marked the outlet hole and I marked the inlet hole. I used the 1-inch black coupling. I marked half of it. And I used the angle grinder with a zip cut to cut it in 2 pieces. I think the best way to do it if I screw it on a 1-inch nipple and put it in the vise, so I can make a nice straight cut. I cut both holes with the hole saw, the outlet a little smaller than the inlet, just big enough that the nipple and the coupling fits on top of it so I can perfect weld it. I tacked the bottom and the top part together. And I welded the 2 parts nice and tight together. I tacked the inlet coupling on and I welded. And I did the same with the 1-inch outlet. I like it if smoke comes out of fresh welded stuff. I used the angle grinder to clean all the welds. And now we are ready for the next step. Because I couldn't catch any condensation, what I showed you in the last video at this point, I disassembled the pipe setup. And I put Teflon tape to the 1-inch outlet and I connected both pieces together, the new upgrade and the old radiator. And I assembled the rest of the pipes from the exhaust system. The aluminum tape did a good job at the last 2 test runs, so for this test run I use it again. Here we are, and we are ready to do the next test run. Ladies and gentlemen, please put up the seat tables in front of you and we are ready to take off in the next couple minutes. A lot of people don't like this noise, but I like it. Let's check a couple times the temperature of that new device, if the turbine is running. So we are around 110 degrees Celsius and we are ready for the next step. Yes, you can trust your eyes. Real bacon. So the question was, can you fry real bacon on an 8 kilowatt Chinese diesel heater? And the answer is yes, you can. I wish you could smell it. It was never smelling so good in my plastic recycling shop. Oh, I love bacon. I used to slice a toast to clean the hot plate a little. And here comes the free-range farm fresh egg. Fresh laid and out of the plastic chip bag that you saw at the beginning of this video. Toast, bacon, egg, and a slice of cheese. And now you found out how diesel heaters, piggies and chickies are coming together in my workshop. Ow, I forgot the cow. But you know what? It tastes so good, I think I have to do it more times. That's definitely a part of the diesel heater setup that I leave in the future like it is. It's gone. And if it's all gone, it means it was good. The hot plate, or if you want to call it griddle, is not Teflon coated, so it's not that easy to clean, but it's definitely worth the work. After all, we have 133 degrees Celsius, which is a good number to go from in the future. And another good thing is you have a good device to keep your coffee hot. And if you want to support us a little, you can buy us a coffee. I'll leave the link for you in the description down below. And in the case you leave your coffee too long at the hot plate, you have free instant coffee. And that's it for this video. Thanks guys for watching it. I hope you stay with us in the future. Don't forget to subscribe for our channel, and if you are interested in these diesel heaters, I'll leave a link for you in the description down below.